I want to welcome you back to another video, and if it's your first time here, my name is Young Fizz. I also go by Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. I make helpful machine tutorials as well as other audio related content. Today we're going to be diving into the Maschine Plus, and the software I'm using is 3.2. And what I want to do is just kind of break down this video of just how I pretty much made the beat. So if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. So whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into this video, which is the Maschine Plus with the Maschine 3.2 software and just me breaking down a beat. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So with this particular beat, I pretty much started off with this drum pattern here. It's just a simple boom, tap, boom, tap. So it goes something like this here. And for the hook, if I want to, I can add this hi-hat sound and just kind of give it a little bit more groove. So if I play with the hi-hat, it sounds something like this here. All right, so the real fun comes in when I add this melody. The melody is super simple, and I just want to kind of show you as well how I turn something so simple into something that just sounds larger than life. So let's go ahead and take this simple melody. For example, I have the Rhodes here, and you'll be able to see I'm using the Diamond Rhodes, and it's just a sampler plugin. I believe it comes from Maschine Central, if I'm not mistaken. And also I have some effects, and I'll go ahead and show you that right after I break down the melody here. So just really soft, and then I added a guitar rig. This is the 7, and I'll put this on the screen so you can see exactly what I'm using here. And with it engaged, it sounds something like this here. And then you can see some of the effects that were used, such as the VC 160 solid EQ, reflector, and replica. And that replica sounds really good. It kind of just gives this vintage vibe type of sound and just kind of has like this nice little delay to it. And then sticking to the vintage vibe, I added this cabinet, and it sounds like this here. And if I scroll down, you'll see I added a compressor. Just kind of tighten up that sound a little bit more. And then on top of that, I added a reverb. And these are just standard plugins right inside of the Maschine. So let me go ahead and pin this, get this out the way here, but I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like. So I got the sampler, it's feeding guitar rig, the cabinet, compressor, and then the reverb. And so when you put it all together, it sounds like this here. The next sound that I chose out of Maschine Central was this string instrument here. And let me go ahead and show you exactly what it looks like. It's just a sampler again. And then I added some of my own finesse to it. So if I play the dry sound, we'll go ahead and get rid of some of these here. And I'll let you just hear the sound by itself with no effects and just kind of show you how I added each effect. So let me move this out the way and come over to this side here. We're going to show the IO and everything here. I just like to view the screen in its entirety. So again, the dry sound sounds something like this here. And then once I start adding these effects to it, you'll hear how it kind of just sounds a little bit better. flanger. Then we have this phaser. Then we have a beat delay. And it's just very minimal of what I'm doing. And then there's reverb. And then finally I have this limiter, which kind of tightens the sounds a little bit more. So if you put those two together so far with the drums, this is what you have. So again, real simple and just keeping it nice and to the point. Now I have this other sound here. This comes from the Session Guitarist, the Mint collection, Electric Mint. And I'm gonna go ahead and play what it sounds like with no effects. So let me take off these effects here and let you hear the raw sound. And then so I finessed this sound using Guitar Rig 6. I was able to find this cool tone here. So really cool stuff there. And then I'm able to finesse it just a little bit more by adding one of my favorite reverbs, which is the Metaverb. If you know, you know. If you watch my tutorials, you know I love this reverb. So it just sounds really good with all this together, and it just kind of gives it that nice airy space. And then finally I kind of rounded off with this bass here. So the bass is real simple. So it just follows what the melody's doing, hitting that bass note. So when I put it all together, this is what you have here. And so that right there is sort of my process. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down in the comment section below. It's your boy Young Fizz, Mr. Dope Status, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in, and we are out.